What do you think?
Definitely a Mercedes.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can feel it.
Yeah. I'm speechless.
Yeah, there's nothing inside.
I'm
That's like a
speechless.
Mercedes.
Oh, that power. 800 plus horsepower, maybe 80 horsepower. Wow. Do that again for the Mercedes fans. Was that it?
That's it.
So here we are, Naples Luxury Cars, featuring this 300CD diesel Mercedes. And Sophie and I are going to take this bad boy for a test drive. And I am really excited about this. It's such a nice car. Air conditioning works great. Oh, trunk's locked. The carpeting. Oh, that's typical. A little bit of smudge from the bottom of that. So here we are in the 1983 Mercedes 300CD. Ready to go?
Ready?
Yeah. Before it gets dark. I'm gonna keep saying the same thing. I don't understand how a car that's 40 years old is gonna look in this condition. I mean, how does that happen?
Garage cab and
I get that.
an OCD like you, maybe.
Yeah, I mean, but most people aren't like that.
Well, you're not
Down
the
here,
only one.
actually down here they are. How many miles?
Let me see here. 41,631 miles an hour.
Buttons. Glove box. That's old school.
Oh my.
Wow. Oh, it's got a subwoofer. Oh, I can't wait to turn the stereo on. I've never been in an old Mercedes like that has a subwoofer. I didn't see that in the trunk either.
Well, it's not connected. Is that what that outlet is? That little plug is?
No, that comes out of somewhere else. I wonder if we call this number if it'll work. 40 years
Do
ago.
it. We should do it.
I'll try it?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll try it.
Just for the fun of it. Why not?
I think they have the same number 40 years later.
Well, if they're a good business, they will.
Okay, here's the Mercedes-Benz test of test. 1-800, let's see, 800-222-0100. Here we go, speaker.
Welcome to the Mercedes-Benz Customer Assistance Center. You can also visit us on the web at www.mbusa.com. If you are calling regarding the brake booster recall, please contact 888-548-8514 to speak with an associate. Please note the brake booster recall is specific to the vehicle identification number and is not applicable to all models. Again, that number is 888-548-8514. To enable us to access your record, please enter your 10-digit home phone number.
Oh, that's funny.
That's good.
I don't think our phone number is going to work. I don't think we're registered to this car. Alrighty, well, Mercedes passed. 40 years later, their phone number still works for roadside assistance. Look at this ashtray. Oh my goodness. Can I say?
It's sparkly.
Oh my
It's
gosh.
shiny.
I want to hear the subwoofer on this stereo. Oh, there it works. It's in French. Is that French? What is that?
Look down, hold on. Oui, c'est French. Décrochage auto, oui. Sonnerie.
Oh, what's that?
Sonnerie is ringing.
Oh, phone.
There's a little device here. I don't know what that is here.
Mute. Oh, it's an old phone. It's an old speakerphone. Alerts on. Wow, that's cool. Look at these buttons. Sophie feels like she's still in the Mustang GT.
Yeah, it's not as fast. Doesn't have as much power.
Antenna up or down. Lights, emergency lights. I don't even know what all these do. I know that's a sunroof. That's the rear defroster.
Not that many buttons.
Oh, they're working so far. All the buttons are working.
The only thing I saw that
Wow.
was a little flaw was this mirror here. This little.
Oh, yeah, on the edge.
Look, it's when you.
Oh,
open
yeah.
It, it's
Yeah, they do that. Yeah, it's loose right there. Well, that gives the new owner something to fix. Then they can make it their own car. Original front windshield. Wow. What a cool car. Neat.
I love the color.
Classic.
Yeah, very classy.
Classy.
Very
what,
classy.
What else? What other words? Elegant.
Elegant, sophisticated.
Elegant.
Sophisticated.
How feel this?
Yeah.
How's that material 40 years feel like that? That's freaking crazy. Look at this. It's like a patterned material.
It's because it's quality
And it's
material. That's how it
perfect.
lasts so long.
What
They
the
use the best of the
F?
best.
I don't get it.
It probably was conditioned every year.
That's just, oh, that doesn't open. Is that supposed to open? Oh, that's interesting. Oh. Wow. That's cool. Oh, the back windows go down. I didn't even know that. That's neat. Oh, we're here.
You're here.
Oh, I'm excited.
At the green
I can't
box.
wait to see you come by. Look at the little lock. I mean, these don't even have wear on them.
Yeah, the pattern is nice in the door. I don't know if you can see
This is
that.
pop. Yeah, this?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is crazy.
Yeah,
Crazy.
it's a
All right. Do your thing. Wow. Look at that. I think this has fog lights. Pull this out. Yeah.
There you go.
Let's see they look. Push it in one more. Headlights. Oh. Yeah, that's cool. Look at that. Wow. So cool. Here she comes. So cool. Brakes work. All the lights work, left turn signal, and there she goes. And here she comes. Look at that diesel. Blowing some diesel smoke. Wow, that's cool. Traffic's coming.
Yeah.
Sorry. Sorry, traffic. so sounds like a diesel.
Mm-hmm. Yes, it does.
See how the turning rate is.
Yes.
It's like a freeway today.
Oh, it's great. We made it on the dime.
It's not a color that I would normally choose, but it's really pretty.
It is.
What do you call this?
Like a vanilla color.
Isn't it more yellow? I'm a guy, so I
It's
use
almond color.
almond. Isn't
it's
almond
yellow.
brown?
Yeah, it's more yellow. You're right. It's more of a
It's like a what'd you call
like
that?
antique white. Or
Yeah, antique something. Wow, the air works good.
Yeah, it's actually really cold.
Yeah, it's nice. Feels heavy.
It is, and yes, it drives really great. No complaint.
Not much of a sunset tonight, but
Bit of cloud.
look at that. Look at these lights. Get down the body line. It's very, very classy. Okay, now you gotta show them how easy it is to get in the car.
Easy. We walk the car. Nice and roomy.
Taxi.
You can put the armrest down.
Oh.
Get a little button.
Oh, I like
How
that.
nice it is.
It doesn't even look like somebody had their arm on it. Literally feel it.
No, it looked like it was probably up the
feels
whole time.
freaking new.
Okay.
I don't get it. I'm annoyed.
Don't be annoyed.
I'm
We don't
annoyed.
like you
This
annoyed.
is so nice.
Make you happy?
I know, right? So, if you have to compare this and the Mustang, what? How do you compare them?
Well, it's two different type of car, so
Right.
it's hard to compare. It's like orange and bananas, or orange and apples.
I know you like driving with the screen on.
This is what I was going to call that color. It's like banana pudding.
Ooh, pudding.
Yeah.
You like watching the screen?
Yeah, it's very distracting. I'm not sure this is accurate.
Here, do it this
It
way.
appears
Do it this
much
way.
further away. Is this a choke here?
No, that
What is this?
that knob is the emergency brake.
This?
Yeah.
Oh.
So after you put it's down there by your foot, don't push it.
No, I'm not going
It's
to.
on the left-hand side, and then that's how you release it.
Got it.
And then your lights, all your lights and gauges and stuff.
Neat. I mean, it's simple.
Look at how much gas we have.
A quarter tank.
Barely.
Better than none.
Oh, barely. Thanks, Adam.
Oh, watch out, Mr. the
Whoa,
Squirrel.
you almost hit a squirrel.
He got scared. I think I got more scared.
We got the tires wet. I wonder if they've ever been wet. I don't think this car's ever been in the rain. You should see underneath the fender wells.
This is beautiful.
They look like it's brand new. It's crazy.
Yeah.
It's annoying. This car's so nice. It's like perfect. Sophie's giving me spelling bee questions. How do you spell schedule? S-C-H-E-D-U-L-E.
Yes.
But I spell it sometimes D-U-A-L or D-U-E-L. But it's S-C-H-E-D-U-L-E. Yeah, I got it. I know what it is.
Oh, I know you're smart.
I don't know about that. Okay, so here's what we figured out. Stereo sounds good, but I don't think this subwoofer knob, which this type of Mercedes shouldn't have. Yeah. So JJ, who bought the 280 SL, the 1982 280 SL with 10,000 miles on it, flew out here from California to picked it up, and he's driving it back. He's doing a 5-day road trip. And today, he's probably, what, 4 days into it?
Friday, Sunday. Yeah, 3rd day today.
I haven't heard from him, so everything must be good.
No news, good news.
Yeah. So he's driving the 280 back. So if somebody wants to fly here and pick up this beautiful car, I wouldn't recommend this one, just because, I don't know, it's going to be a, I guess it could.
Yeah, maybe I don't see why not.
Yeah.
It drives nicely.
It's a diesel. Yeah, these motors run. I was reading on the Mercedes website, or some of the blogs, and they say these engines run for like 400,000 miles.
Yeah, I believe it. All Mercedes are good for a long life.
Yeah, they are. Look at that hood ornament. Just classic. It's like, look at me.
Look at me.
And the shine on the hood. Shine on that hood. Well, this isn't going to be any fun. I don't know what to pick apart.
What about finding the real color?
Oh, yes. Okay, so here's some fun facts about this car, Sophie.
I'm listening.
The
Damon.
The W123, which is this model, it's the
Okay.
body style. They called it the range of executive cars produced by German manufacturer Mercedes-Benz. Started in 1975 through 1986. The W123s surpassed their predecessors, the W14s, as the most successful Mercedes-Benz. They sold 2.7 million before production ended in the autumn of 1985. So this is an 83, so it's right towards the end. We're still trying to figure out what color this is. This car was built in Germany.
Yes.
Isn't that cool? I mean, if you really think about it, it's kind of neat.
Far away.
It's a 3-liter diesel, 4-cylinder. Or wait, I think it's a 5-cylinder. I think this, I'm going to bet this is it is. It's an inline-five. I could give you all the statistics, but nobody wants to hear all that because everybody on Bring a Trailer already knows everything about it. Oh, yeah.
Cars, yeah.
So the engine is a 3-liter. Haven't got to that part. The gas version was a 4-cylinder. This is a turbo diesel. 300D turbo diesel. CD turbo diesel. I'm trying to find colors. Gorgeous night.
Brighter.
Oh, look at that.
There's a CA.
Oh, there's a CA. You gonna race him?
Well, I have my Cobra.
Oh, last night?
Not my Cobra, the Cobra.
Shelby. It was the Shelby.
Shelby?
The Cobra was the other one. The Shelby was, yeah.
Yeah, if I had the Shelby, yes. I'd be very confident. But this one, not so much.
You gotta get home early tonight. Your son gets in, doesn't he?
He does get in tonight, late tonight.
Sophie's celebrating the holidays. She's got the whole family coming in.
I got my 2 kiddos coming.
Yeah. You gonna drive this all weekend for the holidays?
No.
No.
No, I can't put more miles on it.
Can get back in your, oh, that's true. How many miles? 41.8. How does a car 40 years old, that means they put 1,000 miles a year. Which makes sense because the inside looks,
It represents that.
yeah. I mean, it all makes sense. Crazy. I don't understand it. I mean, I would keep a car this nice if I kept it for 40 years. Well, I don't keep a car for longer than 4 months or 4 weeks. But I just, yeah. I'm speechless. Everyone's happy, they're clapping. I'm sensitive. I want everybody to think
You are sensitive.
good things.
You're very sensitive.
Especially this car. It makes me sensitive. I don't understand how it's in such good condition.
I'm at like the wood grain. It's like it's perfect.
It is.
There's no scratch, no nothing.
No.
Nothing. Beautiful. Really is beautiful. And no sticky buttons.
No. We have a couple Maseratis coming up and they don't have sticky buttons either, which is really weird. Maseratis always have sticky buttons. It's like, it's part of the culture. You know, in a Maserati, you got sticky buttons. We have 3. We have a Quattroporte, a Ghibli, and a, oh geez, I'll have to remember the name. And when I do remember the name, I'm gonna have a hard time saying it.
Oh, is it difficult?
Yeah, it's, hey, there's a house we
can't
take
help you
pictures at
there.
sometimes. Do you have any complaints?
None. Other than
Does it shake, rattle,
that
and
it's
roll?
not a Shelby.
I mean, like,
No, it's beautiful and it's a Mercedes. You can't go wrong with a Mercedes.
I mean, these things are usually broke in them. They're not even faded. Look at all the plastic. All the plastic's perfect. Oh, there's a remote. Pioneer. Oh, it goes with the radio. Oh, beautiful night. This is our dusk evening version of 1983 turbo diesel. And we're at Sophie's favorite house. Look at this. That car is absolutely stunning. 40 years old. Featuring this 1983, stunning, elegant, unbelievable 1983 Mercedes-Benz 300CD. Look at that. Wow. I guess we're heading downtown
We're heading downtown.
because it's a little dark.
It got dark really quick.
It did. I think it's because it's cloudy. Alrighty, we'll see everybody downtown. Alrighty, we're almost here. Excited?
Yes.
Check all the windows. Try them. Oh, hold on. So our viewers get to see the lovely hands. Window 1.
Window 1, up and down.
Down.
We can leave it down, actually.
Yeah, let them down.
Yeah. This one.
This one. Perfect. Ooh, let's do the back ones.
And the back ones.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Now you have one big open window. That's kind of cool.
oh, that is neat.
Isn't that neat?
Oh, I don't remember that.
What? Having one big open window?
Yeah, on my,
Well,
my 88.
you had a SEL.
Yeah.
It's a 4-door.
Yeah,
This is a 2-door.
yeah, that's right.
Has a post.
really cool.
There's a post in the middle, yeah. What a beautiful night.
So you found the color name. You want to tell us?
No, you tell me. You take the credit.
Wow.
What's the color of this car called?
There's-
Baby poo yellow?
No, I thought banana pudding was a good name.
Banana pudding, yes.
Beige?
Manila yellow, wasn't it? Manila something.
Manila yellow?
Manila folder?
I thought it was beige.
Manila folder. It's Manila beige. I think you're right. It's Adam's favorite restaurant, Del Mar. Overpriced, awful food.
Yeah.
No, not awful. Average. Overpriced average food. Okay, we always talk about this table that we always drive by and go, oh, that's our table. We want to stop there and have dinner sometime.
Yep.
You want to tell everyone?
You tell the story. You tell it much better than I
Last week when, no, a couple days ago when we had the Shelby.
did. 2 days ago.
2 days
Friday.
ago.
It was, Saturday.
It seems like a week ago.
Friday night.
I don't want to remember that day. It was like a nightmare.
Friday night.
So Friday night we had the Shelby. We stopped. We went and had, we didn't get that table, but we got table 2 tables over. So we're all excited, sitting by the road, watching people in this beautiful town. And the waiter came and he was less than friendly.
To say the least.
Yeah. And we ordered, what'd you order?
Ravioli.
Raviolis. I ordered a
and filet
crab,
mignon.
heads
Filet
up,
mignon ravioli.
crab salad. Yeah, filet mignon
Ravioli.
raviolis. And I got the crab or seafood salad thing. Oh, we're gonna have to finish the story after our stop.
Yeah.
You wanna tell everybody real quick what your ravioli tastes like? That's it. Enough said. Oh my gosh. Enough said. Oh, that's hilarious. Oh, that's funny. Oh, I'm still laughing. You're gonna sit on the roof?
I was going to sit on
The roof or the roof?
roof.
The roof? The
If you're
roof.
from Washington, it's a roof.
Roof. Is the tree lit?
I can't see, but we will when we move forward. No?
Not yet. The seats are comfortable too.
Super comfortable, yeah.
Alrighty, I think we're wrapping this up.
After
So,
we showed them the table.
Oh geez, memories. I was kind of hoping to erase that from my
Well,
my
you can.
database. So mine was a seafood salad. It wasn't awful. I ate it all because I was hungry. It was very fishy. It's this place right here. What's it called? Cafe
Milano.
Yeah, needless to say, we won't go there ever again.
So you want to talk about my Caesar salad?
No, I just got, I went from the ravioli and you go meow. And then I talked about my seafood salad, which was, it was not hot. And this place, keep in mind, this place is not cheap.
No.
And so you sent back your ravioli.
Which I never send my food back, so it had to be really
Never,
bad.
never.
Yeah. Oh, and we found the hair in the butter. Forgot about that.
And so at that point we ordered a side of fries.
Which were delicious.
Which is weird. I guess not for a French restaurant to have French fries, right? Because they're French. And then you sent your food back to get a
Caesar salad, and we said we can't go wrong with a Caesar salad.
You can't go wrong with a Caesar salad. How could you screw up a Caesar salad?
We were totally wrong.
How was a Caesar salad?
It had an anchovy dressing, and it was so spicy. Like it was
I tried it,
lot of
and it
pepper
was
in there.
disgusting.
It would burn your mouth and your throat.
It was awful.
Yeah.
That's, yeah.
I'm not a...
Getting a stomach ache thinking about that. Oh.
Yeah, so
Alrighty.
that's good food.
Back to the car.
Yeah.
This is an absolutely stunning 1983 Mercedes-Benz 300CD diesel. I don't know what else to say. I mean, the pictures are the way they are. The car's perfect. I highlighted a few of the things. There's just, whoever's going to get this car is going to be very, very happy because it looks better in person than it does in the pictures. It's all original. It's never been restored. Nothing's been done to it. It's perfect. I mean, every knob. The only complaint, I do have a complaint. You should put the factory stereo back in and remove this old phone thing. Although it's kind of nostalgic. It goes with the car. And then the subwoofer thing. But it's so old. It's from the 80s. I would probably leave it in there because it fits the era of the car.
Yeah.
I'm a factory person.
I know you are. You like everything original.
I like everything original.
Yeah.
Okay, no reserve.
No reserve.
Yep. Where's it going?
It is going to go.
We haven't sent any cars overseas.
Oh, no.
This car possibly could go to Europe. It could go back to Europe. Now, let me tell you a quick thing about European car or American cars. A lot of the Europeans, when I owned the dealership here in town, we sold a lot of cars to Europe because a lot of the cars in Europe have a lot of rust and corrosion issues. So they like to buy low mile, really nice cars here in the States. And this is definitely one of them. So I bet there's a 50% better chance that this would go. Yeah, you haven't done any of them that have went to Europe yet. I think it's going to go to Europe.
All right.
Where are you going with?
I'm going to go with the Midwest.
Okay. I'm going Europe first, Florida second, New York third, and
New York, huh?
I don't have a fourth. All right, everyone. Good luck.
Good luck.
Please subscribe. Click that little bell symbol in the YouTube channel so you get updates on all our cars. We have some really cool cars coming up. We always have cool cars coming up. And we appreciate all of you. We appreciate the comments. And Sophie really likes the comments and the questions.
Yes.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Good luck.